Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Odin 2 Mini with your RP4 Pro, the Retroid Pocket, and I'm going to show you some important things. So yes, the Odin 2 Mini is more expensive, this is the first thing, but it got better screen, this is the first thing, and also it got better performance. Now when we are going to look here on the battery life is the same at the 5000. So another thing, when we're going to look here on the CPU, you're going to 3.2, 2.8, 2.0. Here you're going to have 2.6 and 2. Here you're going to have GPU, which is better compared to RP4. Then when you're going to go even further, you're going to have both Android 13, and as I mentioned, the touchscreen is just better for the Odin 2 Mini. So just want to make this like a quick comparison video. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value and some important things. So also, if you are using the pad, the RP Pro can be better, but if you want to focus more on joysticks, the Odin 2 Mini is going to be better in that regard. So have a great day and goodbye.